Rishi Dhawan is an Indian cricketer who plays first-class and List A cricket for Himachal Pradesh. Dhawan is primarily a medium-fast bowling all-rounder who bats in the middle order. Dhawan has played for Kings XI Punjab in the 2008 IPL. He was signed up by the Mumbai Indians in 2013. In February 2017, he was bought by the Kolkata Knight Riders team for the 2017 Indian Premier League for 55 lakhs. For his huge contribution to the state team and single-handed efforts in games, he is often hailed as finest cricketer Himachal Pradesh has ever produced. He made his one-day international debut for India against Australia on 17 January 2016. He made his T20 international debut against Zimbabwe at Harare Sports Club on 18 June 2016. He was the leading run scorer for Himachal Pradesh in the 2018-19 Ranji Trophy, with 519 runs in 8 matches. In December 2021, Dhawan led Himachal Pradesh to their maiden title in Indian domestic cricket, beating Tamil Nadu in the final of the 2021-22 Vijay Hazare Trophy. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.